from Philippines, I would like to welcome to the stage Nature, Ellis. Big up the brother, big up the brother.
Yeah, give thanks to the Most High, you know. Yeah, you know, before we perform, I always say, thank the Most High for everything, you know, because without the Most High, none of us would be here right now. You know, so before I go into my original, I will just do a cover. Blessed my brother. And say, only for you. Hey, why don't you take my love to show you? I'm still in love with you. Why don't you take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feelings you gave to me make me feel so brand new. Love you forever, yeah. There's no one like you. Even though I hurt you twice, promise I'll hurt you no more. Although I know it's not nice, promise I'll never walk back to that door. Although you got your choice, please make sure the past is for nature. Make my sacrifice. Only you, no one before. I have to take my love to show you I'm still in love with you. Why don't you take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feelings you gave to me make me feel so brand new. Love you forever, yeah. There's no one like you. Why don't you take my love to show you I'm still in love with you? Why don't you take my love to show you how much my love is true? Feelings you gave to me, yeah. Take it away. Yeah, give thanks. Real. Yeah, man, give thanks to the Most High. Keep on right round. Keep on right round. Listen now. Go for what you believe in. And my people, never let them stop your flow. Once for charging you are working. Oh yeah. Evil spirits got to go. They say the business of survive. Hold on to church and I know you will stand your love, my people. Hold on. The battle must be won. Hold on. Hold it and take it. Take it. You don't know. Hold it. You see, in times like these, when I check it out, seems like I'm trying to do the right thing, it seems like I'm the wrong thing. You do positive music and check it out, and mostly negative music I play on the radio. Most negative people I get highlight. So that's why we have to sing this song called Hold On, because remember this now. You have to know your history and you have to know what's going on right now and what is to come, because a lot of the prophet them hold on, you know, and crucify, you know, and all these things, you know, and hide. And right now I use the media and I highlight pure slackness. And the youth them have to get the exposure, them have to put you on the back. I'm telling you something, man. We all, as individuals, need to know that we have a responsibility to make the change. Don't wait for this man and that man, Jack Tom and Harry. See that? Bust it again from top. Hold on, the battle must go on. Want to know you're doing the right. Yes, I say keep on the right track. Oh yeah, keep on the right track. Go for what you believe in. Oh yeah, never let them stop your flow. Once more charge and you are working. Evil spirits got to go. My sisters and brothers, take your hopes and dreams and make them reality. Remember you are daughters and sons of the Almighty. They just say, hold on, hold on. Yeah. Eat and seek the masters. Wisdom, knowledge, and understanding shall be added. Bust it off. Music come for David. Yeah. And he that know the masters will and do it now shall be in many stripes. Give thanks. Yes. One take time out to got man called Albert and Lily.